My name is Sai Teja and she is Tejasvi. We are from Tirupati, but for job purpose, we came to Hyderabad. First, we came to know about this through Instagram, and also one of my colleagues' friend who is from another company, he referred us, like saying he found LH Interiors. They made their interiors to LH, and the experience was nice. So from there, we got to know. First, the materials. They gave us the option to choose our own materials instead of their own factory made or something. And second, the pricing was also good, and the designs were also nice. Favorite unit is workstation in the master bedroom, walk-in closet in the master bedroom, and kitchen.
I actually like the guest bedroom very much. The colors and the model design, everything went together well along with my master bedroom. There was a feasibility to work with every vendor like electrician, the granite work or anyone.
During the interiors, we had the option like we can choose the material whatever we want instead of the interiors asking us to only go with these particular materials. And the designing phase was also good. They were patient with so many outputs, and the execution was also okay. They gave in a timely manner. We highly recommend LH Interiors if someone is going willing to go for their interiors.